Kids and cadets, welcome back to Tommy Time. Scrapper called me about an hour ago, said he had seen this Murray on the side of the road with the cover. Said he couldn't grab it. He told me the address. It's about 15 minutes away, and I went out and snatched it. It's got a production date of June 6 of 2005. 13.5 horsepower Briggs 40-inch deck. So I don't think this has seen much use. The battery sticker has a date of 2012 on it. So it was not used very much. It's been sitting since 2012. Both spindles are free. The blade, the belt looks like it's in good condition. Tires are low. So I'm assuming we'll do some carb work, flush out the fuel system. Single carburetor. Overhead valve 13.5. Tank's dry. Even has the key. So the deal is, I told the scrapper I'd give him a bird dog fee. So I'm going to give him $20 for leading me to this Murray. So I think we can do something with this. It's not in bad shape. Deck is not rusted out, so we got something to work with. So most of it was probably under the cover, except for what was sticking out here on the edge of the deck, which shows all the leaves here that piled up. Anywho, appreciate you coming out. Don't have my tripod with me. I'm on the road. Have a good day today. Tip your waitress and waitstaff.